Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really cool and practical skill, how to create a custom lanyard mockup using Canva. Whether you're working on branding for your business, designing event merch, or just want to visualize your next creative project, being able to make a realistic lanyard mockup can be super valuable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up the perfect canvas size, get your designs looking sharp, and end up with a professional looking mockup that's ready to show off or share with your team. Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's an intuitive web-based design tool and a lot of the features we'll use today are totally free. Now, once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button. This is usually at the top right, just give that a click. What we want to do here is make a canvas that matches the exact size of an actual lanyard, which will ensure our mockup looks realistic. Instead of picking one of the preset sizes, we're going to use our own custom dimensions, so select Custom Size. For this lanyard, enter 810 in the width and 25 in the height. Make sure your units are set to millimeters, not pixels or inches. That's a common mistake, and using millimeters helps your design print at the right scale later on. When you're ready, hit Create New Design, and you'll see a long, narrow canvas pop up, just like the shape of a real lanyard strap. Now comes the fun part, adding your design or any patterns you'd like. Feel free to get creative here. You can upload your logo, drag in some icons, or use Canva's vast selection of graphics and patterns. Maybe you want a simple background color with your brand name repeating along the strip, or perhaps you want something bold and colorful to stand out at an event. Either way, make sure your design fills the canvas from end to end, as this strip represents the entire length of your lanyard. Take your time experimenting and make adjustments as needed. You can always move elements around, try different fonts, or play with color combinations. And here's a small tip. If you want to see how your design will actually look once wrapped around someone's neck, consider keeping the most important elements like text or logos centered along the middle of the strip so they're easy to read. Once you're happy with how your lanyard looks, it's time to bring everything together. Up in the top right, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click that. From here, choose Download. You can pick your preferred file type like PNG or PDF, depending on whether you want this for digital sharing or print. Wait a few moments for your design to render, and that's it, you've just made your own lanyard mockup. So that's all it takes to make a professional-looking lanyard template right in Canva. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see tutorials for other types of merch, just let me know in the comments below. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future design tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.